PANA by Klevgrand is a plugin to do panning. Now this may sound boring, but this plugin promises to do panning in a more natural sounding way while also being mono compatible. This made me curious, so I downloaded the demo, and I have to give Klevgrand credit, that claim is true. The panning you do with PANA sounds three-dimensional. Let's say if you do panning followed by a subtle room. Take this acoustic guitar. This is normal panning to the left. And this is the panning done with PANA. Let's A-B. You can hear pretty well that the normal panning is bone dry, and the PANA version really has a 3D space around it. So how is this achieved? PANA uses a combination of the Haas effect, which is using delay to create width, and the plugin also uses a low pass filtering on one of the channels and throws in a crossover filter. You can probably do all of this by using at least 3 plugins and some intricate routing. The smart move of Klevgrand is to combine all of this in one user-friendly plugin, which will save you a lot of time. The size dial will set micro delays based on the side of a head. Roll-off is used to set the filter of the opposite channel. And the panning knob is obviously for the left-right panning. And this dial also influences the size and filter as well. Crossover is the control for the crossover filter. If you have audio with a lot of bass, better use this for a more natural sound. Klevgrand also claims that the plugin is mono compatible, and also that claim is true. This is the acoustic guitar again, routed to a stereo bus. And this is a mono bus. Now normally you wouldn't route PANA to a mono bus, it defeats the purpose of using it. But what you can do is make use of the crossover, panning, size and roll-off dials to get a phasey effect. With the roll-off you can then control the amount of phase, and playing with the size or panning control, you control the movement and speed. And you can automate this. So this plugin can work as a manual phaser as well. Bonus point. A common trick in mixing wide panning guitars is to have one guitar on one side and have a reverb panned to the other side and the other way around. Now this will make the sound a bit less wide but also fuller, and PANA can do that easily. Something really cool happens when I play the normal tracks and the PANA tracks at the same time. Instant Swedish Göteborg metal sound. Very cool. This happens probably due to phase differences, and I like this. PANA can be very useful if you want natural sounding panning, but also can be more versatile as I showed you. To get very creative with panning, you want to check out the plugin in the video, which is displayed on screen and linked in the description. I'll see you in that one.